Google I/O events are like cosmic alignments. They reveal new technological constellations to us all. The recent Google I/O 2025 was a veritable supernova of artificial intelligence. It promised to reshape our digital universe in profound ways. We found ourselves standing at the threshold of a new AI dawn. The announcements made were truly groundbreaking in their scope. They have collectively set a new trajectory for future innovation. Humanity is now venturing further than ever into the AI frontier. This event marked a very significant leap forward for the field. We are witnessing an AI revolution unfold before our very eyes. At the very heart of this unfolding revolution is Gemini 2.5 Deep Think. Google proudly presented this sophisticated new model to the world. They confidently called it the world's best reasoning model currently available. It reportedly outperforms other leading models, including the noted 03. Gemini 2.5 Deep Think has also demonstrated its prowess by dominating the LM arena categories. It is consistently crushing its own previous performance benchmarks. This advanced model represents a monumental step in artificial intelligence capabilities. Its inherent power is truly something remarkable to behold. We are seeing AI models reach unprecedented new heights of understanding and context. Gemini 2.5 Deep Think is not just about its immense raw processing power, it also possesses remarkable and diverse new abilities. Soon it will be able to navigate websites directly within the Chrome browser. It can interact with web pages dynamically and intelligently. This impressive feat is thanks to its sophisticated new agent mode. This particular mode was formerly known to us as Project Mariner. Imagine an AI that can autonomously click buttons and fill out forms for you. This fundamentally changes how we will interact with the vast internet. It truly is a glimpse into a more integrated and seamless digital future ahead. This single capability opens up countless fascinating possibilities for widespread automation. The Gemini family of models continues to expand its significant influence. Google also took the opportunity at I/O 2025 to introduce Gemini 3N. This specific model is now readily available for developers to use. They can integrate its considerable power into their own products and services. Its performance level is impressively close to that of models like Claude Sonnet 3.7. Gemini 3N is also characterized by its incredible operational efficiency. It can run effectively on as little as just 2 GB of RAM. This makes it an ideal choice for on-device applications. Furthermore, Google announced its crucial support for the Model Context Protocol. This will greatly simplify how developers can use these powerful new AI technologies. Google unveiled a suite of tools designed to empower human creativity. Stitch is one such remarkable artificial intelligence tool. It has been specifically designed with web designers in mind. Stitch automatically generates and designs user interfaces for them. Imagine describing a complex UI, and then watching as Stitch brings it to life. It can take simple text prompts and even reference images as input. Then, it skillfully crafts intricate UI designs from these basic instructions. It even generates the necessary front-end code required to implement these designs. This entire process can happen in a matter of mere minutes, a truly revolutionary speed. This tool could fundamentally transform the entire landscape of web development. Stitch's apparent magic comes from the power of Gemini's agent mode. This underlying sophisticated intelligence is what drives its impressive capabilities. Stitch doesn't just design interfaces, it also acts upon instructions. It can create the various user interface elements needed. It also writes the necessary code to make them fully functional. Stitch can seamlessly interface with popular and widely used design tools. Figma is a prime example of this deep integration. This allows for a much more fluid and efficient workflow for designers. They can now move from initial concept to finished code with unprecedented ease. This is a clear example of AI augmenting human ingenuity in the field of design. For the coders among us, Google introduced a new assistant called Jules. This is an asynchronous agentic coding agent of significant potential. Its primary function is to write code specifically for AI agents. Some industry observers speculate that tools like Jules could redefine the role of human coders. Perhaps it might even make certain routine coding tasks entirely obsolete in the future. Jules also cleverly utilizes Gemini's powerful underlying agent mode for its operations. It is currently open to all developers worldwide in its beta phase. It helps them to improve and better understand complex existing codebases. Jules can also integrate with tools like Figma and various GitHub repositories. Then there is the unveiling of Flow, an AI tool with truly cinematic ambitions. Flow is capable of generating entire cinematic adventures from prompts. Think of it as an artificial intelligence storyteller designed for the silver screen. Google positions Flow to target major Hollywood studios for content creation. It could also be used to generate original content for streaming platforms like Netflix. This might fundamentally change how movies and television shows are produced. It could also impact independent content creators across the globe. Those low-effort, faceless edgelords on YouTube, as some might call them, could face new forms of competition. Flow uses advanced models like VEO, Imagen, and Gemini to achieve these results. Access to these incredibly powerful AI tools naturally needs a structured framework. Google therefore announced the new AI Ultra payment plan for users. This comprehensive plan offers substantial capabilities for subscribers. For the first 3 months of use, it costs $124.99 per month. After this initial introductory period, the price will then become $249 per month. The plan also thoughtfully includes 1 month free for all new users to explore its features. It also provides a massive 30 terabytes of cloud storage capacity. This generous storage is intended for all the generated slob or creative output from these tools. This pricing structure aims to make advanced AI more widely accessible. Google is also actively exploring a range of new AI-driven projects. Project Astra stands out as a particularly fascinating example of this exploration. It is an AI system that has been designed to understand the world around it. It uses impressively low latency to describe your immediate surroundings in real time. Imagine having an AI companion that sees and understands the world alongside you. Project Astra is currently a prototype for a universal AI assistant. It aims to perform tasks proactively without needing constant user prompts. It features natural-sounding voice output and significantly improved memory capabilities. This ambitious project points towards a future filled with proactive AI assistants. The ever-evolving realm of hardware is also being touched by these AI advancements. Google officially confirmed the ongoing development of Android XR glasses. These advanced glasses are very much real and in progress. They are intended to eventually compete with existing products like the Meta Smart Ray-Bans. Google announced several stylish partnerships for these innovative glasses. Exciting collaborations with Warby Parker and Gentle Monster were revealed at the event. These XR glasses will have many practical real-world applications for users. Think of messaging, navigation, and much more, all accessible through your eyewear. This is wearable artificial intelligence steadily becoming a tangible reality for consumers. Another truly innovative project showcased was Project Beam. This exciting technology was formerly known to the public as Project Starline. Project Beam has the ability to transform standard 2D video content. It skillfully converts it into a rich, immersive 3D experience for viewers. The primary goal is to make virtual interactions feel much more realistic. Daily stand-up meetings could feel more present and engaging. Virtual conversations could gain a completely new dimension of immersion. Google has already established partnerships for the eventual market release of this technology. This technology could redefine remote communication and collaboration as we know it. We are stepping ever closer to bridging the digital and physical divide. Google's existing generative AI tools have received significant and impressive upgrades. Their video generation tool, now called VEO, formerly VEO, is more powerful than ever. Their image generation tool, Imagen, formerly Imagen, also saw considerable enhancements. A key new feature is the ability for VEO to generate video with accompanying sound. VEO 3 can now create complete visual narratives that include synchronized audio. Imagen 4 in turn offers incredibly high-quality images for users. It also boasts superior typography generation capabilities for various design needs. These substantial improvements continue to push the known boundaries of AI-generated media. Content creation is rapidly becoming more sophisticated and accessible to everyone. Developers also received further support and new tools from Google. New CSS primitives were introduced to simplify web development tasks. These primitives make building common web components like carousels much easier. Developers can now build fully functional carousels with just a few hundred lines of CSS. This represents a significant reduction in the amount of code required. Artificial intelligence is also being deeply integrated into the core Google search experience. AI Mode is currently rolling out to users in the US market. It features deep research capabilities and real-time interaction functionalities. AI Overviews are also scaling to billions of users worldwide. This aims to make information retrieval more intuitive and efficient. The broad AI advancements presented extend into many specialized areas as well. LearnLM, which is integrated into Gemini 2.5, is designed to enhance learning. It offers advanced STEM reasoning assistance and custom quiz generation features. It is even being piloted in educational settings in Ghana. Sparkify is an exciting new labs experiment from Google. It can turn user questions into engaging animated videos. It achieves this by using a suite of AI tools including Gemini, Music LM, Audio LM, and VEO. Notebook LM now also offers a feature called AI Podcasts. These provide concise audio overviews of varying lengths for users. These diverse innovations clearly showcase AI's remarkable versatility. It is adapting to diverse human needs in various endeavors. The numerous announcements made at Google I/O 2025 paint a very clear picture. We are currently witnessing an AI revolution, unleashed with incredible speed and vision. These technologies, from Gemini 2.5 DeepThank to Project Astra, are not just incremental updates. They collectively represent a fundamental and transformative shift in capabilities. Entire industries will undoubtedly be transformed by these advancements. Our day-to-day lives will almost certainly be reshaped in numerous ways. The way we create, learn, and interact with the world is evolving rapidly. Google is methodically weaving AI deeper into the very fabric of our world. The journey into this AI-powered future is truly just beginning. It promises to be an extraordinary voyage for all of humanity.